Today we are learning the 25 most common English verbs. I will say the verb in the infinitive form, and then I'll give you an example of a sentence using the verb in the present tense. To be. I am happy. To have. I have long brown hair. To do. I do yoga every Sunday afternoon. To say. We say hello when we answer the phone. To get. What did you get at the market? To make. When I'm hungry, I make a sandwich. To go. I don't go to the cinema very often. To know. He knows a lot about dinosaurs. To take. I take my backpack to school with me. To see. Do you see the girl in the pink t-shirt? To come. I'm sad when I come home from vacation. To think. I think you're right. To look. I look at the stars before I go to sleep. To want. Do you want some chocolate cake? To give. My mom gives me a hug before she says goodbye. To use. I use a blue pen to sign documents. To find. He finds lots of coins on the beach. To tell. Can I tell you a secret? To ask. Can I ask you a favor? To work. I work from Monday to Friday. To need. I need a new phone. To feel. I feel nervous when I give a presentation. To try. He tries to do 100 push-ups every day. To leave. I leave my office at 5 o'clock. To call. I call my grandmother every Sunday. For more videos and to keep practicing, hit the subscribe button. See you next time.